Hi, today I will show you how easy it is to change the teacher in a course in Admire. Let's get started. In Admire, go to School, Courses. This will open the Courses page. At the top left, we see the Search section. This tells Admire which courses we want to find based on certain criteria. I will choose Current Courses from the drop-down menu, as I am looking for courses that are currently active. If you want the default option to be current courses every time you come to this page, press the hammer button. This will overwrite the default option and make the current selection the new default. Press Search. All current courses will now load on the left. Let's choose the course that we need to switch the teacher on. I'll choose Hebrew by Rabbi Frankel. The course info section will now populate with all the relevant information about the course. Since Rabbi Goldman will be teaching the second grade Hebrew course this year, I will now change the teacher to Rabbi Goldman using the teacher drop-down menu. Any teacher that is currently hired and on staff since the start of this term will be visible in this drop-down menu. Press the save icon at the bottom to save your changes. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and it helped you accomplish this task. Please like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date for more Admire content. Thank you for watching.